Hi everybody, मेरा आज का जो वीडियो है is about an important announcement for NBA CET 21 aspirants. Well, all of us know that this was the most awaited notification regarding the examination. At least the registration process has started and we are now awaiting the actual exam date. Well, मेरे हिसाब से तो मुझे लगता है कि इस साल का CET is going to give the toughest competition. पूछिए क्यों? First, the number of aspirants are going to be more as compared to the previous years, owing to the delay that CET has provided. So, ऐसे भी कुछ students who were probably targeting next year's examinations are of the opinion कि ये CET try करके देखता हूँ. Let me see if I'm able to score good marks and settle down with a particular college. दूसरा, जो लोग previous years से prepare कर रहे हैं, the people who had rewritten CET and were already preparing for the last 1.5 to 2 years, these people would have reached a particular mark. And imagine the competition that they would provide to the students जो अभी जग चुके हैं. So मेरा आज का जो वीडियो है is an announcement of ELC's 15 days live workshop on NBA CET 21. रुकिए, आप लोगों के दिमाग में सवाल होगा कि इसमें क्या कवर होगा. First and foremost, this workshop is going to be conducted by the ELC directors. So it's a tried and tested workshop which we've been conducting for the last 12 years. And इसमें we cover all the important areas of NBA CET examination. In 15 दिनों में we will be covering all these 30 important topics, जिसमें unique methods and techniques will be taught to you. अब मान लेते हैं कि आप में से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने फॉर्मल कोचिंग कहीं और लिया है, आप में से कुछ लोग हैं जिन्होंने सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज परचेस की है एंड घर पे प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे बाय वाचिंग द वीडियोस, एंड अ थर्ड कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने अब तक प्रिपेयर तो नहीं किया है, एग्जाम फॉर्म भरा है, बट हु वांट टू गेन इनसाइट्स एज टू व्हाट द सिलेबस इज और किस प्रकार से सीटी अटेम्प्ट करना है. So taking into account all these three different categories of students, I can definitely guarantee कि ये workshop हर एक category of student के लिए benefit करेगा. कैसे? तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑलरेडी फॉर्मल कोचिंग किया है, they can benefit to the fullest by studying these unique methods and techniques, because I know कि visual reasoning जो CET का सबसे ज्यादा स्कोरिंग सेक्शन है, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग जिसमें गिने चुने 7 से 8 टॉपिक्स है, जहां अगर आप ये यूनिक मेथड्स अप्लाई करते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल सिलोजिज्म्स है, ट्रेसिंग सीक्वेंशियल आउटपुट है, मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस है एंड पजल्स, if you try and imbibe these methods, you are bound to improve on your performance, because by this particular level you would have reached a stagnant score for that matter, or you would have realized you need a push, you need a last lap revision for all the topics. So this is the workshop that can benefit to the fullest. अगर आप सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज परचेस किए हुए कैंडिडेट्स हो, लेट मी टेल यू कि ELC के ही हमारे 10-20 फुल लेंथ मॉक्स अवेलेबल है. These are very much ELC in-house mocks, and the pricing of just 10 mocks is 650 rupees. Again, 20 mocks भी available है, so you can visit our website elceducation.com. वहाँ पे आपको अलग-अलग packages नजर आएंगे. जो हमारा ये 15 days का workshop है, this is going to be conducted in the evening, ताकि working candidates भी ये workshop attend कर पाएंगे, and the fees is very nominal. The fees is only 2,000 rupees, and इसमें से भी the students who have already purchased our test series, irrespective of how much is the number of the test series, 10, 20, 35, irrespective of that, if you are an ELC test series student, you get a flat 500 rupees off. That means the workshop will be available to you in just 1,500 rupees. Imagine kariye the cost that you will be paying as compared to that the benefits that you will be getting are numerous. ये workshop attend करने के लिए हर साल we have students across Maharashtra who come in for the residential program here, and they attend this particular workshop. You can see it in the image over here. So this workshop is being conducted in a big auditorium. We are missing these situations for the last 2 years now because of the COVID times. Again, the next slide you can see the topics that we will be covering in these 15 days live workshop. Duration जो हमने plan किया है, anticipating कि CET करीबन August में होगा. So the workshop is scheduled from 19th of July to 4th of August. Monday to Saturday, शाम को होगा. If you're interested, do ping on this particular number. The number has been given on in the description box. And if you're interested, please do enroll. All the best and thank you.